So in these questions, they want you to, okay, they say that an arithmetic sequence has first term, which is 45. So we can just, like,
Mm-hmm.
which is u1 equal what? 45, right? And then
Yes.
the common difference is d, which is negative
Negative one.
1.5. So in this case, they say, given that the k terms, which is, they mean UK, it's not England, but yeah,
Mhm.
they, it given that UK equal what? Equal to 0, find the value of k. So which means they say that UK equal to 0, and then find k. You got it? So as I
Mm-hmm.
told you, to find any unknown term, we had a formula which is un, right? Un equal to une, like ul plus n minus l times d, right? Which
Yes.
means if we want to find any terms, you can just, like, let it be the subjects and then something like this. So the same thing, we can just uk equal to what? U1 plus
One.
k minus 1 times d, right? Which
Yes.
is supposed to be 45 and plus what?
One point
Plus
five plus 1.5
k
minus.
minus 1 times negative 1.5.
Oh yes.
And then you can just, like 45 minus 1.5k and then plus 1.5. And that's supposed to be 46.5 minus 1.5k. You get it?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So in a question, yeah, we literally say if uk equal to 0 and then find k. So in this case, we let uk being 0. Okay. If so, then we can just say if, yeah, uk equal to 0, then what?
Then
46.5 minus
46.5 minus.
1.5k equal to 0, right? Which
Yes.
is 46.5 equal to 1.5k, and k
Negative.
equal to 46, not negative because it's
Oh.
flip the side, yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah,
Oh,
and then over 1.5, which is equal to 31.
oh okay.
Yeah, that's it. And about, like, here, the maximum value of Sn. What does it mean by this? It actually, we can just find by using Sn. Like, they say that denote Sn the sum of the first n term of the sequence, find the maximum value of Sn. Maximum value of Sn. So we got what? I think we can just use Sn equal what? N over
And
2 and 2u1 plus un, right?
plus. Oh, I thought it's
Ah,
UN
I'm
plus
sorry. 2u1 plus n minus 1
time D.
times d
Mm-hmm. This not yo.
minus n minus 1 times d.
Yes.
But in this case, you can just see here. They mention like k term of the sequence is 0. Find the value of k. And then find the sum of the first n term. Find the maximum value of Sn. What does it mean? You can use logic like this. First we got 45, right?
Yeah.
And then like negative 1.5, so which means it down 1.5. That's supposed to be 43.5, so on until 0.
Yeah.
You understand? So if,
Mm-hmm.
like, okay, after 0, that's supposed to be something else, right? Negative 1.5, and then negative 3, and then negative 4.5, something like that, right? So at when 0 here, the term of the 0, like the term that equal to 0, which is 31 term, right?
Mm-hmm.
We already found. That means the 31st term is 0. Okay? So
Yes.
imagine if we find the sum of, they want to ask the maximum value, which mean what?
Mm-hmm.
Which mean, like, what is the maximum value of Sn? That mean the the what? The maximum value of Sn can be found if we find the sum of the first 31st term.
Mm.
If you find the sum of 31st term, you're gonna get a value. That value is called the maximum of Sn. Or you can also find the sum of the first 30 terms.
30.
Because yeah, because
Oh
the
yeah,
third yeah,
because
because the 31 term is already 0. So that means we can just find the sum of the
30.
first 30 term or 31 term. It doesn't matter.
Oh,
You
okay.
understand? But
Yes.
why we consider that the sum of the first or 30 term as the maximum? Because after, okay, if we think like this, if we find the first, okay, like 29 term, that's supposed not to be like maximum, because there is something more than that. If we add the 30 term to the sum of the first 29 term. But if we find the sum of the first 30 term here, 32,
Mm-hmm.
that's gonna be decreasing. Do you understand? So
Yeah.
the maximum of the Sn can be found. Yeah, can be found if we trying to, again, find by the sum of the first 31 terms. That's it. You got it?
Yeah.
Okay, that's it.
Okay.
Benar nggak?
So technically, so
Yeah, yeah.
technically, it's only the positive numbers, right? Look through or
Yes. Okay,
okay.
okay, like that. So that means sin what? Sin u31 equal to 0, right?
Mm-hmm.
And the sequence is what? The sequence is decreasing.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, decreasing. So then we can just say what? Then S31st equal to S30, because 31st is 0. You understand what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
It can be is max of f of Sn. Okay, so we can just
Yeah.
find any. I put like 30 term equal to be 30 over 2, 2u1, which is 2 times 45 plus 29 times negative 1.5, right? So that's supposed to be
Mm-hmm.
15, 90, negative 1.5. That's supposed to be what? 29 plus, oh my gosh, 1, 18, 14.5, 30. My brain is not reading right now. To be honest. So 29 plus 14, that's supposed to be 43.5. So that's supposed to be negative 43.5.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so that's supposed to be what? That's supposed to be
That's supposed to
15
be
and
um,
46.5. You
oh
can, yeah, you can use calculator. That's it.
yes.
So you understand? So
Yeah.
you might think like, why? Yeah, do you understand why I'm considering this as the maximum? Because if we
Yeah.
find, if we like continuously like find the sum of the 32, 30 seconds terms or 33rd term or so on, the value of the the result gonna be decreasing from
Mm-hmm.
from S31. You understand what I'm saying?
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. And why S31 equal to S30? Because of what? Because U31 is 0. So the same thing, like if we find U1 plus U2 until U31, it's the same thing as U1 plus U2 until U30, because U31 is 0. Okay?
Mm. Yes.